Happy morning, my dear children. Welcome to Elga online class. Today we have to cover day 7. All the time while you are attending the online class, make sure that you have your notebook, pen, pencil along with you. From today's class, we have to see some words. You have to use our left hand to use the blending techniques. Okay, I will give you 5 seconds time. You have to get ready to yours. Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Yes, I hope you are all ready. Now, see this words. I don't know how to read this word, but I know the letter sounds to read this words. You also read along with me. You have to get ready to your left hand. How you have to read this word. Beginning sound, middle sound and end sound. Fur. F. Beginning sound, f. R. This is not have a middle sound. First one. F, R, fur. Next one, burn. B, A, in, burn. Third one, girl. G, L, R, L, girl. The next one, twill. Tw, Ir, Il, twill. Next one, lawyer. L, A, R, lawyer. Next, her. Her. This is also not have a middle sound. This like you have to use the left hand and also you have to use the blending techniques to read these words. Do you understand? Great, Kutima. Let us see in your SR book. See this. This is SR7 vowels with R sound. So dear children, this one you have to use your left hand, beginning, middle and end. Try to read this. This is your self-independent reading. From this phonics class, you have to use the letter sounds to read these words. I will give you 1 minute time. You have to utilize this, otherwise you have to pause the video, then touch your left hand, beginning sound, middle sound and end sound to read these words. Okay. Great, my dear children. Now let us move to the whole word section. In our last class, we learned some whole words. Do you remember that? Yes. Great, my dear children. That are that score, wish, each, final, stop and everyone. Now we are going to recap that words. After that, we will see the related worksheet. You also read along with me. Keep your finger or pencil. Do you have a book? Means you have to take the 7070 page. I will give you 3 seconds time. You have to get ready. 3, 2, 1 and 0. Yes. Score. 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 Wish. 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 Each. 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 Final. Final. Stop. Stop. Everyone. Yes. See this, my dear children. Lot of times I told you, get a book means you will do this worksheet in your workbook. Otherwise, you have to pause the video, write this passage in your notebook. After that, you have to identify the whole word. See that first, read the question. This is worksheet number 14, question number 1. Circle the whole words from the box in the passage below. See that you have to read the passage first. After that, you have to identify the whole words. Then you have to circle this. This is your homework. Okay, children? So, do you understand? Are you clear from this? Yes, we learned 6 whole words. We have to recap that. After that, you will do one worksheet from this. Great. Great, my dear children. Let us move to the reading and listening comprehension section. Did you complete your workbooks? Yes. Which school was Neha studying in? Yes, she was studying in Leeds School. Why was Neha feeling tired? Yes, Neha was feeling tired because she had a fever, right? Now, you have to read the story from your SR book, Hard Work Face Off Independently. Okay. While you are reading, you do not understand the difficult word, just you have to find or that circle that. After that we have to see the difficult word meaning that. This is your SR9. You have to SR book means you have to take the SR9 page number 61. I will give you 3 seconds time. You have to get ready. Start counting. 3, 2, 1 and 0. Great. Hard Work Face Off. Author Ashma Gupta. Illustrator Gigdi Benha. Otherwise, you also read along with me. Arban and Vaibhav study together and are the best friends. They are part of the school sports team. Arban is the head of the team Yamuna and Vaibhav is the head of the team Ganga. Next page. This week was sports week at school. Both of teams were competing with each other. On the final day, the scores were calculated for both of the teams. Team Yamuna and Team Ganga had equal points. Next page. The final game was a kabaddi match. This game would be decide which team was the winning team. Everyone wondered how Arban and Vaibhav would react. They hugged and wished each other best of luck. Arban and Vaibhav hugged with their teams. Both of teams played very well. Everyone in each team gave their best. Arban touched the 5 members of the other team and reached the home line. The referee did not see this and disqualified Arban. Vaibhav saw this and told to the referee. His team was angry at him for helping a friend. He said there is no joy in the winning a game by cheating. Let's win with our hard work, he told. Team Ganga was then cheered by the crowd. Team Ganga won the game by 1 point. Member of Team Yamuna congratulated that member of Team Ganga. So did you read along with me, children? Yes, after that you have to see the vocabulary words and meaning example also from your SR book. You have to pause the video, you also read. Just you have to improve your reading skill, okay? Now see the vocabulary word and meaning from your tab. See this vocabulary word, competing, to take part. Equal, same. Wondered, to think about something. Great. Dear children, you have to go back, then read the story. You have a worksheet, means take the worksheet number 14, question number 2. Otherwise, you have to write down in your notebook. What did Arban say? What did Arban think? What did Arban do? How did the Arban feel? How is Arban as a character? Why do you think so? Just you have to find the questions and answers. You will write down in your workbook. Otherwise, you have to go through your SR book. This is also your homework for reading and listening comprehension section. Great. Let us move to the grammar section. My dear children, did you complete your homework from this grammar section? Now I will show the CRL. You have to check your answers from your worksheet number 12. See that worksheet number 12. Underline each part of a sentence and mark S for subject, V for verb and O for object. A big boy and a little girl were walking on the road. So, a big boy and a little girl is a subject. Were walking is a verb. The road is a object. G question. A lion and a tiger is a subject. Were loudly roaring is a verb. Jungle is a object. Next one. Rahul plays hockey and football well. This one subject is Rahul. Verb is play. Object is hockey and football. So remaining, did you complete that, my dear children? I hope you are all completed. Now you are going to one worksheet for worksheet number 15, question number 1. Are you ready? I will give you 5 seconds time. You have to get ready for your worksheet number 15, question number 1. Start counting. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Great. So children, this also that like only. Underline each part of a sentence and make a S for subject, V for verb and O for object. I will read the question one by one. You listen carefully. Otherwise, you have a workbook means you have to do this in your homework. You don't have means you have to write down the notebook. Karnan is running on the road. Rahul and Raj are both wearing a red shirt and black pants. Norman and Karthik play football. D question, Danya had gone to her house. E question, Darun is writing a beautiful story. F question, Arbam is going to the temple. G question, Pardi is writing a letter. H question, Deep is drawing a picture. I question, Manmeet had a breakfast. J question, I ate a sandwich. Now I will say one question answer from the J. I is a subject. Ate is a verb. Sandwich is an object. This like you have to complete the remaining the rest of the questions A to I. So are you clear? Yes means subject, V for verb, O for object. Here already we learnt about the two nouns equal to subject. Two nouns equal to subject. This like we have to learn about that last classes. Do you remember? Great. Great, Kutima. So you have to complete that. Next, let us move to the writing and speaking expression skill. Today you will be listening to an audio recording of personal experience. While you are listening, I want to all of you focus on the what the author is saying, how he and she is saying it, and the way he is saying. Just you have to listen the audio carefully.
Hello students. Today I will be telling you a story about a time when I learned something while I was playing. Once I was part of the cricket team in school. I was in 3rd standard. We were playing a match on the cricket field. I always loved batting first, but our coach sent my friend Rahul first. I did not like this. I sat in one corner as I did not get a chance to go first. I did not talk properly to anybody. I thought that the coach was giving importance to Rahul. I felt sad and upset. At the end, my team won and Rahul played really well and I got to bat as well. That day, I learned how the team is more important than one player.
So did you listen that video, my dear audio, my dear children? Already we learned about that, right? I ask a question. What was the video about? Yes, when the author learned something while playing. This like you also improve your skill. This is full and full sports from this unit. That's why we learned about this Rahul's boy, right? Yes. How was the author narrating? Great. The author was narrating using the correct pronunciation, voice modulation. It was clear, right? What was the way in which narrated the story? Yes, the voice also then clear. My dear children, you go through your personal experience and practice preparing for its narration using a clear pronunciation and proper voice modulation. Now you are going to take your notebook writing and speaking experience. You wrote about some sentences for the personal experience, right? Just you have to read about that story. You have to use a correct pronunciation and voice modulation about your personal experience story with your family members, because we don't have a class. That's why. Otherwise, you have to do like this, means you have to take the video and send it in our WhatsApp group Elga 8. Okay, children? So, are you clear from this? Great, my dear children. So, I will give one more homework today from this reading and listening comprehension section. One question. See this mark. Read the story and answer the following question. Do you think Vaibhav would have won without his team? B question. The referee did not see this disqualified Urban. What is the meaning of the underlined word? Tick the correct option. So this is your homework. Let us recap today's class. Yes, we learnt about phonics class. We had to use the blending techniques to use our R vowel sound. Next, whole words. We recap the 6 whole words. Then you have to do one worksheet from that. Reading and listening comprehension. You have to read one story. After that, you have to complete the related worksheet. Grammar part again. Simple sentences for subject, verb and objects. You have to complete the worksheets. Then writing and speaking expression, you are going to speak about with your personal experience story with your family members. Okay children, bye. Thank you. Happy learning.